Hello, my name is Ron Nixa. I'm the Technical Service Manager of Key Machines for the Hillman Group. The purpose of these videos are to show you the maintenance on our key machine and our key machine programs and how to operate each one. We are going to show you how to replace the key guide or key tracer on the KD50 Key Machine. Now what you need is you need a 5mm Allen wrench. Now also, before you start, you want to make sure that you want to unplug your electrical cord out of the electrical outlet, and always wear a pair of good quality safety glasses for your protection. Now what you want to do is you want to take your 5mm Allen wrench and you want to loosen the Allen screw or socket cap screw that's on the right hand side by gently holding your key tracer and pulling it in a downward motion and turning your micro dial adjustment in the back of the key tracer or key guide as called. You want to turn it towards the right while pulling down. She comes out very easily and you just want to keep on turning it. It's a very fine thread and it will take a little while to come out, but you'll see the guide coming out. You remove it, you put it aside. Now just like anything else, when you're working on anything, any key machine, you want to make sure using your chip brush or cleaning brush that you clean out any chip or dust. It might be a good idea to get a nice soft rag or WD-40 and wet in there and use it as a cleaning agent, but you make sure you wipe it out and clean out any dirt or dust, and you want to make sure that is all clean before you put it together. Now what you want to do is once you get your new key tracer and you take it out of the package, you want to notice that you have a flat spot on one side. That is where the Allen screw will tighten down into it, and you want to insert it inside the bore, and like I said, you don't have to remove the screw, but you want it backed out quite a bit. By holding the key tracer or key guide in your left hand, just turn your micro dial adjustment towards the left and it will screw into the back of the key tracer, actually pulling it in very smoothly. You want to turn it in, just about what you think where you had it basically when you disassembled it. You might want to remember how close about it was sticking out. And then when you get to that point, just take your 5mm Allen wrench and you basically want to snug it down. You don't want to final tighten it. The reason why you don't want to final tighten it is because you are definitely going to have to readjust the depth of cut, and it would behoove you to also do a spacing adjustment to check the accuracy. That is a given that it must be rechecked. Now, the reason why you would replace a key guide, or is also called key tracer, is the KD50 would be prone to getting a wore-out spot, or just like any other key machine, because of the sharp grind in the cutter wheel and the key guide to match. It will wear out over a period of time, a little nick in the middle. If you see a wore out spot in the middle, replace your key guide or key tracer as it's called immediately. It's basically going to act like a key machine constantly going out of adjustment, because you're going to adjust to that wore out spot and then you're going to change the jaws or cut a different thickness of a key or a different kind of blank, and it's going to put it off on a different center line. So replacing that key tracer with a nick in it is a must. Then once you finally redid your depth and spacing adjustment, then you can lock down your socket cap screw and that will complete the installation of the key tracer.